Hi team, today I am discussing about cat command. Cat is a concatenation. Cat full form is concatenation and it used to view the file contents and also copy the file contents. It used to also edit the add some files and edit the files as well. So I will be discussing about this command. So I just created some files. To view the contents of the file, we will use cat file name. So it is showing all the contents in the file. To add new line to the file, we will use greater than symbol. It will provide us to cursor to it, ask us to add the new file. So I am adding the new file. The T1 file. I am just adding new file. After once we edit the file, so once we need to press the Control D. Control D, so it will be exited from the file. So I am listing the files. Now if I cat this one, adding new file 2 is added here. It is added here, and I am just editing. I'm just verifying the T2 contents as well. So in T2, 1, 2, 3, just it is there, and in T1, it is the content. So to add this content to the T2 directory, we will use T1 greater than T2. So this is the symbol to add the new content to the file. So from third line, it will add all this content. It won't erase the existing content. It just add the new content. So if I cat the new file, see, first two lines are there. After that, it is adding. So this is the advantage with the cat file. Cat file will copy the one file content to another file. In T3 file, there is no content. See, there is no content in the T3. So to add the new content T2 to greater than add the new content to the file, we will use greater than symbol. This means it erases the previous file content and it will replace with present source file content. So, but in previous content is nothing. It is a 0 byte file. So we are just using greater than symbol. I list the files and I get the content in the T3 directory. It is just whatever the content present in the T2, it is adding. So we used cat command, cat source file and greater than target file. By using, we are copying the one file content to another file. So if we use this and if we use greater than symbol, it erases the previous file content. It won't be the, it will not, it will erase all the content. So I am in cat1 T1 file. This is the content. This is the content. So new file has been added. Now what I am doing, T1 greater than T2. So just I am giving greater than symbol. That means new file has been erased now. New file whichever we have added, that will erased in the T2 file. Sorry, T1. We have given the T1 contents to T2. Sorry, already in T1 also new file is available. So in the both files, same content is available. So what I will do, I just add some content here. Adding some content. I am erasing the previous content now for the T1 file. Previously, whatever the file content is available, if I use greater than symbol, I am not giving any source file, I am just adding new content. So now previously, whatever the content is available in T1, it is erased. Content. Yes. So once it is done, I will use Control D. Control D option used to help us to exit from the cat file editing. So now I have just cat using the cat command. So previously the cat contents are replaced with new content. Now what I will do, cat to T2. Cat T2 has some file content. Cat T1 has separate file content. So this way we can replace the file contents using greater than symbol and double greater than symbol. Double greater than symbol is it is replaced, it just add the new contents to the file. Greater than symbol is it will replace the file. Clear the screen. So type command will be used to which type it is, external file or internal file. Normally in Linux we have two types of commands. One is internal and external. Here cat command is external command. Why? Because we are calling this from binary. We are calling the script from binaries. So it is an external command. Cat is reverse order tag. We also have tag command as well. Tag command shows the content reverse order. Tag T1. So previous it just show the reverse order. This is the last file and this is the so adding new content. So it just show the reverse order. So see one is just here. If we cat the content, one is first and adding new file is last. But if we tag the content, adding new file is last, first, and one is last. So tag is just reverse order of cat command. I am just clearing the screen. Cat content, cat also used to concatenate the files. Concatenate means it will be just help us to view the files from all the files at a time. I am just using cat to view the T1, T2, T3 file at a time. See, this is the T1 content. This is T2 content and T3 file. So all the file contents I can see at a time using cat command. Now I am doing like in the T4 file nothing. T4 file nothing is there. What I am doing, I will copy T1, T2, T3 file to T4 file using cat command. Cat T1, T3 greater than T4. So now all the file content will be available in T4. See, all the file contents will be available in T4 using concatenation cat command. We can do it is just erase the content and replace with new content. It just add the new content to the file and we can view the multiple files at a time using cat command. We can view the multiple files at a time. We can also view add the 2 3 files data into single target file at a time. We can replace with the new data, or also adding to the file with new data using greater than symbol. So these are the advantages with the cat command. Tag command is exactly reverse order with the tag. So it shows the reverse order content.